5 players who comes on your mind when you see this jersey, this one.
Wa kwanza kuna anaitwa Livramento. Wa pili kuna Gimares.
Number 3
kuna Tonali.
Number 4
kuna Gordon.
Number 5
kuna Elanga. 7 kuna Osula William. 8 kuna Joelinton. 9 kuna Nick Pope. Alafu wa 10 naweza nani? Trippier.
Okay, which team do you support in EPL?
Manchester United. Siku zote.
Okay, predict your top 4 by the end of the season. Which team is going to win EPL? Which team is going to top 4? Okay, let's go. Number 1,
Manchester City. Number 2 ni Manchester United kawaida.
Man U.
Number 3 Arsenal.
Number 4.
Number 4 acha ndapea Aston Villa
number 4. Okay.